Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In the series of finding tips to reduce the negativity of the nakshatra, today we are going to see how to reduce the negativity of nakshatra, that is known as Uttarashada. For those of you who are new to this channel or new to astrology, here is a background information on the nakshatra Uttarashada. This will help us understand this nakshatra so that we can find the tips that will reduce the negativity of this nakshatra. Uttarashada is a nakshatra of sun and that falls in the signs of Sagittarius as well as Capricorn. That means this nakshatra has influence of sun as well as Jupiter and Saturn. If you have moon in Uttarashada, then this is very important nakshatra for you. If you have Lagna as well as some planets in this nakshatra, then this nakshatra becomes important nakshatra for you. Usually Uttarashada people are idealistic people. They have ideals and they would have idealistic expectations from others. They are the warriors who would like to win the battles. That means they are fiercely competitive. Victory is one word that they always understand. And from the description that I am giving, many of you have already guessed that Uttarashada's negative trait can be being overly idealist. And the second is a type A personality which is constantly active. Another negative aspect of Uttarashada could be getting frustrated with people and then feeling lonely. Another negative aspect could be these people are really active when they are fully engaged in any project or any activity, and the moment they lose interest, they just stop working. Uttarashada natives are usually constantly searching for some project, some work where they can do their best, where they can gain some victory. As long as they are engaged into that process, they are very active. On the other hand, the moment they sense that they are not going to be victorious, they are probably going to fail in certain project or assignment, or they are doubtful about how they will perform in that assignment, they try to stop working, or they are not involved fully into that. That might occur. It may happen that they have a feeling of laziness or total apathy towards it. So they have this combination of either being constantly active, type A kind of personality, and other side could be they are totally lazy, not concerned. These are the two negative sides in addition. And as a result, they may fail to complete the tasks. So if you are noticing that you are not able to complete certain projects, and you have Uttarashada as a dominant nakshatra in your horoscope, take time to understand the process. Your ideal expectations are sometimes constantly running after victory are not going to help you. You are losing work, you are losing projects, and the other side is being complete failure and loneliness. If you want to avoid that, the only key is have patience and don't have extreme expectations from others as well as yourself. The best tip for Uttarashada is have patience and try to work with people in a way that you are not expecting too much from them or you are not expecting too much from yourself. And the third most important thing is, once you take up some task, some project, never leave it until it is fully complete. Try to engage yourself into it. Once you do that, you will realize, maybe later, maybe after a long time, with lot of patience, but victory is yours. Certain part of Uttarashada has a nakshatra that is known as Abhijit, which is the best nakshatra for completing anything or starting anything. So if your moon falls into that Abhijit part of Uttarashada, then you are bound to be victorious. Even if moon or your planets are away from Abhijit, still it is coming with intrinsic promise of victory. So please hang in there, have patience, keep working with others with full engagement, and victory will be yours. Usually brass color is good to wear for Uttarashada people. So have some container of brass. You can wear brass ring, or you can drink water from a brass cup. If you want to wear brass color in any other ornaments, imagery, decorations, that is advisable as well. Doing worship of Lord Ganesha as well as Hanuman is also advisable, and patience is the key. Hope this is helpful to you if you are seeing the negative side of Uttarashada. If you want to know more about your horoscope, want to know more about how Uttarashada can be expressed or used from your horoscope, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to do a reading for you. Please like this video, like this channel, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Namaste. Thank you. Shubham Bhavatu.